I have presented two boards here. One board is the standard Arduino board. The one which is on the right hand side is the Arduino board designed by our incubation center. I'll quickly explain you the parts of this board. This board, of course, you must be aware of this. This is already known to you. So I'll just compare one to one so that it will be easy for you to understand. So whatever you have in this board is present in this board. Plus, some extra features are available in this. If whatever is available in this board, there is no need for designing a separate board. So what are the extra features available in this? So you have one additional LED available. So this board has only one LED. This board has two LEDs. The one LED that is available on the board is connected to pin 13. Here the two LEDs are connected to pin 13 and pin 12. One LED is connected to pin 13, another LED is connected to pin 12. So we have, instead of one LED, we have two LEDs. So that is one difference. In addition to that, you have two switches here. That is one beautiful option. One switch is connected to pin 2, the other switch is connected to pin 3. This board doesn't have any onboard switch. So switches are used for connecting inputs to the microcontroller. So we can easily check by giving digital inputs. So we have two onboard switches that is not present here in the standard board. This board also has an onboard potentiometer for giving analog input. You can simulate an analog input by using this onboard potentiometer. This board doesn't have any onboard potentiometer. And this is with regard to input and output. With regard to output, this fellow has the option for 3.3 volt and 5 volt. So you have one 3.3 volt line available here and one 5 volt line available here. So these lines we use for powering external boards or external peripherals. Here we have 9 power connectors available. These 3 power connectors are used for providing plus 5 volts. These 3 power connectors are used for providing 3.3 volt. And a beautiful option here is we have 3 more lines which can provide plus 12 volts also. Plus 12 volts. If you want to make use of this plus 12 volt, it is necessary that we have to power this board by using a 12 volt adapter. Okay. So this 12 volt lines that we have given can be used for powering high voltage devices like motors, relays, etc., which is not present in this board. So this is a power packed board which we can use and test for variety of applications. So this is a pretty handy board, a custom made board. Still it can work with standard Arduino IDE. So that is what we are going to use for our practical purposes. So what are the extra features available? The extra features that are available are we have 2 LEDs in the place of 1 LED in the standard. I'll put it in the bracket for standard Arduino. Standard Arduino, you have only 1 LED, and you have 2 switches. And in the standard board, you don't have any switch, and it has one potentiometer for providing analog input. You don't have any in the standard board. In addition to that, you have 3 5 volt lines. In standard board, you have only one. You also have 3.3 volt lines. In the standard board, again, you have only one. And you also have 3 12 volt lines. In the standard board, you don't have any 12 volts. So this is a pretty powerful board which you can use for testing practical applications.